How to see how much time you spend on Facebook. So the actual settings varies phone to phone, but if you're an Android like mine, you can head over right here to your settings. So on iPhone, it's actually really direct because you can see screen time already right here. But if you're on Android, you can scroll down right here onto your apps. It can also be seen on your battery. And then from in here, you click on screen time. Now it will show all your activity details. And then this is the screen time for today. As you can see right here, I have spent 7 minutes on Facebook, which means that it actually allows me 7 minutes of usage. So you can also see the screen time on the times it was open, notifications received, and a lot more. You can also set some limits. And you can also see your screen time for the past times or the past day. Like, for example, see the screen time for August 14, which is Wednesday. And as you can see, I spent 41 minutes on Facebook on that particular day. So that's how you see how much time you spend on Facebook. Hope we help.